TM at TRI is a state-of-the-art CGMP facility, which is a scale-up biomedical manufacturing facility.
It is a first in Australia facility. It is actually one of the only facilities of its kind in the world. It will be the gateway, the pipeline for future jobs in the health, medtech and biological sector. This will produce that pipeline.
What we're aiming to provide here is compliant, segregated GMP clean rooms, a wraparound compliance service, and also that technical expertise to support them on that journey of clinical manufacturing.
TRI has been all about doing the science which will lead to something useful out there in the world, particularly in the clinical arena. TM at TRI is where it's actually going to be made.
It will change the way health scientists view their work. We're actually getting them to not just think about the next scientific problem, but to think about the next experiment that will allow them to translate the ideas that they have for the benefit of the community.
You have the capacity now to go from incubation through to producing your clinical materials for initial trials to manufacturing the commercial grade material you need for your later stage trials, all in one place.
That really creates what we would consider a triangle of industry, research and clinical. So that's a very large biomedical research institute. That's a manufacturing capacity to then have the product that can go into clinical trials, which is what we have over here at the hospital in the clinical research facility. So that triangle that is geographical as well as the people, the infrastructure and support is really crucial to translation. In fact, that for us is what it's all about.
COVID was a wake-up call. Suddenly people realised we didn't actually have the capacity to take things through right into the clinic here. If we can't find out if it works in the clinic ourselves, then we're working with one hand tied behind our back.
We have to make sure that we do everything we can to support the economy of tomorrow. And central to that is the type of innovation that will happen at places like TM at TRI.
It's giving us an opportunity to do something that we couldn't otherwise do.
Well, I think it puts us on the map. We're ahead of the curve up here in Queensland, and I think TRI's always had that one step ahead advantage, and TM is the next part of that journey.
I think what we will see unfold will really make people sit up and take notice.